Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to trade with the help of RSI. Now I've also made a video about this in my previous videos. You can check that out as well, but in this video I'll be showing to you again how to trade with the help of RSI. Now what is RSI? The RSI, the relative strength index, is an indicator that shows the speed and the change of price of the stock. So generally it is known when the RSI is above the 70 range, it is considered as overbought, and when it is above below the 30 range, it is considered oversold. So to better understand this, let's get started with the video and analyze some chart to give you a better view about the RSI. Now the RSI, you can see at this point it is overbought. As you can see, it is above 70 and it is overbought. Now at overbought area, the bears say that this is a price too high to pay, so they push the market downward. Now this area is oversold, you can see, but the prices are above this one, so this area is considered as oversold, and the investors generally invest in it to push the prices higher. Now as you can see, in these three areas, the the oversold area was at 40 level. You say, let's say 40, consider it 40. So it was at 40, and at this one it was very down, so it was at 24, and this one was at 27, but the prices were far below at this one than compared to these ones. So this was, the RSI was above, but the price was very much down. So at this area, the relative strength index shows that the strength of the bears, or the power of the bears, was very high, so they pushed the prices downward. In this case, they did try to did the same, but they only pushed the prices downward, and as fast as they could. But they but the you can see the RSI dropped down far. So the bulls jumped right back in and pushed the markets upward and gain control of the market on time. But you can see in this case, the bears push the market fastly, and you can see that this was very due to this decline in the prices. This area also declined, but at this level the bears were exhausted, and as the bears were exhausted, so the bulls jumped right back in and pushed the market upward. Again they are trying to push the market downward, but you can see that. Let's see what happened next in this price. So besides the 30 and the 70 range, you can also use the range between, you can consider this range as well, the 37 range. You can consider this range as well, the 44 range. Each and every range you can consider for your own trading style. You can trade accordingly with the help of these indicators as well. The RSI is a useful tool in helping you recognize the overbought and oversold areas. So in this case, as you can see, these areas are overbought, you can see, and these areas are oversold. So at this area, you can see that the bulls were confident, and they pushed the market up at different levels. So you can see that, but the bears gain control of the market, jumped at from time to time, and somewhat gain control of the market, push the prices downward. You can see the bulls were, the strength of the bears were strong at this point, as so the RSI. At this case the same, but the strength was less. So you can see that at different points. Let's go far beyond. This one was far above the other RSI. So let's get let's get to history. So you can see at different points the bulls jumped in, sorry, the market showed weakness. You can see the RSI showed at different level ups and downs. Now let's take a look at another stock. Let's see AMZN, Nasdaq, Amazon, Nasdaq. So let's take a look at this one. You can see that this area very overbought. You can see it is very overbought than these two. So this is also overbought, this is overbought, but these are but this one was for the previous highs. Now these are for the new highs. You can see that the prices are now at different levels, so it means that these are for the new highs, and this case as well. Each time when the price crosses above the previous resistance level, it forms new highs and new levels at that point. So does the RSI. The RSI also forms new highs. But what the RSI generally does is that sometimes when the bulls break the previous resistance level, they do not, the RSI does not show the full strength of the bulls, and later on it may show strength, but at some cases it shows strength, but at some cases it does not show strength. It showed a bit of weakness in the bulls, but at some points it showed that the bulls broke the resistance levels in full force, or the resistance level or the support level. So that is the main point of this. It shows the strength of the bulls and the bears on which it broke the previous support or resistance level, and form new highs or lows. So in this case, as the you can see that at this point, you can see, where is it? Yes, this is the resistance level. So the bulls break at this level, but as you can see at this point right here, the bulls break at this point, sorry, right about here. The bulls break these levels, push the market higher, but again they showed weakness, come back down, but didn't cross this resistance level and pushed upward. So it formed new highs, and with new highs the RSI would form its new overbought and oversold areas, and it would form its new readings. As it would be better to say reading, it formed new readings. So in this case, as you can see, it is trading at the same levels. You can see the RSI is trading at the same areas, but with new highs and lows, with new prices and new movement of the stock. As you can see at this level, these also show the same things, but with new highs and lows. Now let's take a look at another stock, MSFT, Microsoft Corporation. The same things you can see at this point as well. It didn't cross the resistance level, the support level, sorry, and you can see here as well, it jumped up, it bounces up and down, but it did not cross this resistance level at this point and started trading upwards again. You can see at various points it is trading above the now as it broke this trend line, this trend line was broken, so it formed new highs at different levels, and you can see that it is trading with new highs and lows, and new prices are coming in fast, and the movement of the stock is way higher as compared to others. Now let's go. So there are more as well. So you can see at this point again it broke this resistance level. So with the broke of the resistance level, it formed new highs. At this case you can see the inverted cup, and now it is trading above still. So let's wait for it to show us what results it will give us next. So that was all about how to trade with the help of RSI. With the break of each trend line, with it may be a higher, it may be a support level or the resistance level or whatever trend line or indicator or tool it is, it forms new highs or lows, and it trades according to those prices and those movement of the stock. So you should keep in mind that with each break of the trend line, the stock forms its new highs and lows, and you will have to trade accordingly. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.